The sky's falling, the wind is calling, stand for something or die in the morning. Section 80, high power.
Babies for Obama is a movement started by Ashaya and I, who are 80s babies, 88, 87.
80s Babies for Obama, the movement is young people, young voices, just ready for change, ready to continue this cycle of change that started in 2008, but we want to keep it going.
We want to get the young people involved of our generation. It started out with just 80s people, like from the 20s up to early 30s. But then it's not just that, it's like young people in general, which spans from 18-year-olds who first time voting is about to be now, and all the way up through 40-year-olds who still think they're young, which y'all are. So like, we all need to band together, like 40 is the new 20.
So Kalani and I met at Howard University, and she's one of my best friends from school, and it was just it was right. It was only right to make this company with her. We have, similar thought process, both creative people, both very passionate people.
Ashaya is my girl. Like, okay, so I called her and I knew I was coming out to LA because she had a dream. She moved to LA 9 months ago. Then I wanted to move to LA because I've always wanted to live here to pursue our both of our careers in like entertainment, music, and things like that. And Ashaya's a go-getter, and I had this idea for these shirts, and I'm like, who can I call? Who can I count on? And Ashaya's my girl. We've been friends since like freshman year, which has been 6 years. Crazy. I think what inspired us both is just our pure support for Obama, our love for Obama.
Wanting to be a part of the change. You can't want to critique something and always have an opinion about something and you aren't doing anything. Like, for me,
Exactly.
I wanted to be about it.
Yeah. Talk that talk and walk that walk. A lot of people out here are like, oh, Obama, I hope he wins, but we really want to do something.
Tonight.
Buying a shirt represents this 80s Babies for Obama. It doesn't matter if you were born in the 80s and the 70s, the 60s, the 50s. It does not matter. If you support Obama, it's important to support these shirts. Because we are trying to start something really big, a really cool, hip 2012 way of getting our president back to office.
I'm for Obama because I feel like he best represents what this country really is about. Are really for President Obama and who make a statement to the young people. I would really love to see them be a part of our movement.